Hey guys, I don't know what to say. Hey guys, my name is Gloria and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for my very first YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this purple halo eye look and using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Bling Boss, using all these purple shades right here. And if you hear something in the background, it's my fan. My AC broke down and it's very hot for me not to film with a fan, so that's the noise you hear in the background. And also, if I my voice sounds really low, is because I'm really nervous to do this, but I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, film a video, and I finally got the courage to do it. So I hope you guys like it, and if you want to see how to obtain this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the shade Hush Hush, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. So I'm gonna move this back and forth just on my crease. Alright, so next up I'm going to grab the shade Rockstar right here, and I'm gonna use a Morphe M433, and I'm going to put this shade on the outer corner and my inner corner, just leaving the center line. Also grab very little, because these shades, all of them are very pigmented, so just grab a little bit and then start building up from there. I'm going to go back in with that first shade I grabbed, Hush Hush, and just blend everything together so it looks more blended. Alright, so next up I'm going to grab the shade Sparks right here, and I'm going to grab it on a little flat brush. This one's from the Vintage company, cosmetic company. I'm gonna do the same thing, outer and inner corner, just to deepen it up a little bit more. After that, I'm going to go back in with the same brush I used for the shade Rockstar, and I'm going to just blend it all together. I'm going to go back in with the same shade Hush Hush I used, the first shade I used, and blend everything together. Next, I'm going to grab the Tarte shape tape and just put some in my hand like that. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brush. It's the flat brush. It came in that box in German. So I know it's in a trio. I think it's called the Ojitos Trio. What is that? Right here in the middle. And then I'm going to look up to see where my crease shows start, and right here is the guide. Alright, so next up for that shade that you see right here is the shade Bling Bling right here, and I'm going to use my finger to grab that shade. You can wet it if you want to, but honestly it's so pigmented that you don't need to wet it. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade Rockstar just blend the middle shade with everything. So I'm going to go in with the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and my shade is 220. I'm using the Morphe Y6 to blend that in. And I never put foundation directly on my nose because I find that whenever I do that, my nose gets very cakey. So I just like whatever is left on my brush, I go in and blend it on my nose, but I never put it like directly on my nose. Now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Fair 15. And the same thing as the foundation, I don't place the concealer directly on my nose. And I'm going to blend that in with a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. To set my face, I'm going to use the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and I'm going to use the same beauty sponge. And I always set my smile eyes because I tend to set a lot right there. Before finishing up the rest of my face, I'm going to set my face with a Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And while this dries, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my eye makeup. With a pencil brush, I'm going to grab the shade Hush Hush. And just start blending it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to grab this other brush, this one's from Eyeliner Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this one to be more precise. I'm going to grab the shade Rockstar and use it, blend it very close to my lower lash line. To line my waterline, I'm going to use the Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner, which is a new eyeliner, and I feel like this will make your eyes like look more open, so I'm going to use that. Now to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, I'm going to use the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I'm going to use the shade Stroke right here, top one. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies. Now I'm putting the Nars Climax Mascara in my bottom lashes. And to finish up the face, I'm going to grab the Colourpop Private Party Bronzer on a Morphe 530 M530, and just place it on the hollows of my cheek right here. This is more cool tone bronzer, so I'm not gonna go everywhere with it. I'm just gonna like precisely put it on the hollows of my cheeks. Now for my actual bronzer, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Sunshine in a Compact Bronzer. It's a much more warm tone bronzer. here so that I'm going to put pretty much all over. Even though I'm using the same brush, I'm going to go a little more crazy with this one. Not too crazy though. It's okay if you got a little bit carried away, you can a little bit. I'm going to grab the powder, the Copper FX powder, and I'm going to not bake but just clean up on the I'm going to contour my nose a little bit using the Colourpop Private Party bronzer, and I'm using a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And just a little bit down the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush in number 18. And to apply, I'm going to actually use a fan brush. Now for my favorite part, highlighter. I'm going to use the same Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use the shade Stunner on a Colourpop F5 brush. Before applying my lipstick, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. And while my face is still wet, I'm going to go back in with the highlight shade instead of like 15 minutes. For lipstick, I'm going to go first with the Too Faced Matte Liquid Holy Chic. Holy Chic. Now, because I don't want to look dead, on top of that, I'm going to go in with the Kathleenlights and Colourpop Moonchild lip gloss. And that completes this look. I hope you guys liked this purple look. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share with everyone, all your friends that love makeup. Please subscribe before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao!